wanna keep us close tonight. I just wanna keep us loving right